Hello everyone, and welcome to this celebratory video where I celebrate you, my subscribers. I just reached a milestone in my YouTube channel and I would like to thank you all. Now, I don't have any great prizes to give out or anything like that. It's literally just a thank you. And I thought I would just tell you a little bit about where I came from in the internet marketing space, how I ended up here, and how long it actually took me to get this far. Because a lot of people reach 1,000 subscribers a heck of a lot faster than I do. But something I've done recently has really boosted my viewership. And I have to ask you a question, actually a couple of questions. And I would really love it if you would comment below and tell me the answer to the questions that I'm about to ask you. Okay? But first, let me cheers to you all. Cheers for being such loyal followers and sticking with me through all of my highs and lows. And even, I shared with you that recently my brother died, and that was kind of a tough time, and I didn't even make videos for a little while because it was just a hard time. But I'm back, and no matter what, I'm going to carry on, and I'd love to know what you guys would like to see more of, but don't let me forget I was cheering you. So that's cider, by the way. It's Strongbow apple cider. So anyway, I would love to know what you, my subscribers and viewers, would like to see more of. As you know, lately, I've been promoting a little bit more in the crypto and DeFi space, and it seems to be, really appeal to the majority of my followers. Now, I started out as an affiliate marketer, and I still am an affiliate marketer. And when I do show or promote different things on my channel, it's things that I really believe that can help you, the viewers, who are, I assume you're watching because you want to know how to make money online. So I've shown you different platforms to make money online with. I've shown you different ways to promote different things that you might want to promote. I've shown you some free ways, and I've also shared courses with you. And everything that I have shared with you is nothing but things that I truly believe can really help you. It does also appear to me that the majority of my follows are new people in the affiliate marketing space or the online marketing space. But I've also gained followers who are more experienced. So my question to you is, what would you like to see more of? Would you like to see more platforms from the DeFi space, the cryptocurrency space, like what I've been promoting lately, the Baked Beans project, which, by the way, is my favorite so far. I got to tell you, it has been so incredibly successful, and it is growing so fast. And anybody can do this, anybody. And you don't even have to share your link to be able to make money with the Baked Beans platform. That's what's like one of the things that's so phenomenal about it. Would you like to know more? Would you like me to find more platforms like that? Would you like me to share more ways to promote the things that you want to share with people? Would you like to know more about how to build websites and funnels? Would you like to know more about social media marketing? That is not an area of expertise for me because I don't really like Facebook that much. So I spend very little time there. I'm probably leaving money on the table, but it is a good way for me to communicate with people. But there are other social media platforms that you can promote your links not just your link. There's a way to go about sharing your opportunities and the platforms you want to share. There's a good way to go about it, and there's a not so good way to go about it. If you'd like to know more about that, please tell me. I'd really, really love to know. And before I forget, I want to show you this. I am at 1,032 subscribers. And what that means for me is that I can now do live videos. So another question, would you like me to do lives? Would you like to be here with me when I go live so that I can answer your questions right here on the spot? If you would, make sure you leave a comment below. I would love that, okay? You guys, I'm here to help you. And I think I have been helping a lot of people lately because this baked bean things has just gone crazy. But there's another platform that I have kind of put on the back burner. And I think that it's also another really, really solid project. And I am going to start doing a few more videos about it. And I think that if you are somebody who is interested in not only making money from platforms like baked beans, but if you would like to learn more about how to share your projects with people other than your friends and family, this other platform can help you with that. And it also is in the DeFi space. So let me know what you would like, you guys. And with that, let me also show you what's going on in baked beans. I've rebaked 3 times already. I've rebaked almost 1 BNB today, and I'm back up to 0.139 BNB, and I'm just going to let this go till tomorrow because it's already, holy crap, it is already tomorrow. I thought it was still April 6th, but now it's April 7th. So I will do a rebake tomorrow morning, and tomorrow will be day 2 of week 3, and then I've got 4 more days to rebake after that, and then I'll do another withdrawal. So another thing I know I need to do and that you can be prepared for is I notice a lot of people don't really understand how to, because there are so many new people in the crypto space that don't really understand wallets and how they work and how to connect to the Binance Smart Chain and how to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Baked Beans project. I need to do a tutorial on that, even though there are other tutorials out there, but maybe my style will resonate with you a little bit more. Plus, I have some more platforms coming up that will require other than BNB, or USDT, and you're going to need to know how to connect your MetaMask to those chains. So stay tuned for those videos. I feel like I'm forgetting something. And I'm going to start doing contests. I haven't determined exactly how much the giveaway is going to be, but I'm going to be giving away money, okay? It may be in the form of cryptocurrency, it may be in the form of fiat, and it may be in the form of me paying your way into a platform. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel for that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button on all of my videos, and make sure you leave a comment below so I know what it is exactly that you want, okay? That would be amazing. You're helping me by telling me what you want, and I'll do my best within my knowledge to fulfill your requests. Yeah, with that, everybody, I just wanted to thank you once again for helping me reach over 1,000 subscribers. Heck, I got a quarter of those 1,000 plus subscribers just in the last 28 days alone. I started 3 years ago. My first video says it's from 4 years ago. But I do recall that was in the winter right before I started doing affiliate marketing with some Warrior Plus and JVZoo products. And honestly, guys, I didn't do that great with those things. Until then, I started talking about Guaranteed Downline Club, and all of a sudden I started getting not just viewers but a lot of members signing up to Guaranteed Downline Club with me. And then from there it just progressed into me showing people how to make free websites, or how to how to do different things to support your affiliate marketing. And then I started right here, I started talking a little bit about crypto, and that was only 11 months ago. So up until 11 months ago, I was mainly doing, like Warrior Plus stuff, and I really worked hard around Guaranteed Downline Club and helping my team learn how to share their links, how to use traffic exchanges, how to build a free website, how to create a funnel in a little free program that I had, and all sorts of that kind of thing. And then I got wrapped up in 20X Pro, which, sorry Alex, if you're watching, just not for me. Then Team Build Club. And then I started talking about Zeus's Bounty, and Zeus's Bounty is still going, and I need to do another review and update about Zeus's Bounty because it's a solid project. So stay tuned to that. Okay, Intelligence Prime Capital. Oh, that's a story. And then I got wrapped up in SoBuy Club. Totally got scammed. I guess I decided to not listen to people and went ahead, and thank God I only had 4 people under me who did not blame me when SoBuy pulled the rug on us. And I feel terrible about that still, but that was a huge lesson in doing your own research. Wow. And like really doing your own due diligence. And I highly recommend that with anything that you join, especially in the crypto space, the DeFi space. You must do your own due diligence and do your own research. If somebody offers you documents to look at, different resources, white lists, they show you a contract, whatever, look at it, learn how to read it, get into the Telegram group, ask questions. I did all of that before I joined Baked Beans, and since then I've asked more questions and I've learned so much, and now I'm answering your questions. So please go ahead and watch my videos about Baked Beans, and watch my videos about Zeus's Bounty. There's another platform I haven't talked about. So guys, I just retired from my job. The timing couldn't be better for having joined Baked Beans, and I look forward to sharing more really cool money-making platforms with you and different ways to make money online. And I look forward to seeing your comments in the description below. And I also look forward to seeing you in the next video. Tell me what you need from me next, okay? Don't forget. Cheers, everyone. Thanks again for watching. And thank you for clicking the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.